Yep, I am wearing golf socks with my flip-flops because my feet are cold. The sun is shining though. It's morning here in Parker, Arizona. And there's my rig at the casino all set up. To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, 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 to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, 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 to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump. Yeah, it's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Hi everybody, La Paz County Park, just over the mountains here, just over 95. Beautiful here. Came over to take a shower. $2, $2, $2. I paid $2 for a cold shower. It was freezing. That's my teeth chattering. Went into one shower. It was cold. No hot water. Went into another shower, another building. Still no hot water. But I took that cold shower anyway. Okay, so a cold shower is better than no shower. On my way back to Parker. Still camping out at the casino, hoping maybe I can go back. If this wind dies down, I can go back to the van build maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. We'll see. We'll see. Leaving the pause. Running errands, dump the tanks, to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump. Hey, so I'm feeling a little bit better today, and I'm kind of getting ready to hopefully get back up to the van build. So I decided I'm going to finish up with all my errands. I went to the dump and cleaned out all, emptied all my tanks and took a cold shower. At La Paz Community Park. So the shower was $2 and to dump my tank it was $10. So for $12 I got a shower and I dumped my tanks. So now I am at the laundromat here in Parker. Now I decided to go to the 16th Street laundromat. Behind me you could see it, 16th Street laundromat. And it was $1.50 to wash and 25 cents for so many minutes. I think it's like 4 or 5 minutes for each quarter. So I put in 75 cents and it totally dried my towels. It was towels and pajamas and stuff like that. It was a mixed load. So I only had to do one load and 75 cents. And it was $1.50 to wash. So for $2.25, I did a whole load of wash, opposed to what it cost me at the one of those big name places on the interstate, which was $2.50 to wash, and then another $2.50 to dry. So it was a good deal here at the 16th Street laundromat in Parker. And this is located not far from Shea Road where the van build is. So it's right on the main thoroughway here in Parker, across from the railroad tracks, right near the Circle K. And it's on California Avenue and 16th Street if you're coming from Quartzsite. So it's before you even get to Riverside. Okay? And Shea Road is the other direction. So if you're coming down from Shea Road, coming off of the Van Build, coming from the Van Build, you'll make a right-hand turn, and it's right down the road. Yeah. Okay, so now you can get your propane filled right here at the Circle K if you'd like, or there's other places obviously down the road to get your propane filled. So I'm gonna go get my propane filled, but I'm gonna check the price here, and then I might go further down and check the price to see what it's gonna cost down the street. But, you know, am I gonna be penny wise and dollar foolish? I don't know, for a couple pennies, I might just go right here and get it filled. But I do have to go pick up a few groceries before I head back up to the Van Build. That's the plan, because it seems like the wind has died down. I feel better. I'm gonna try to do that today. You never know though. I might not make it, but I might make it. I wanna get there before dark. Thanks, see you soon. My last step was to say goodbye to my friend, RV Joey. Not really goodbye, but I'll see you later. I'll see you in a couple of days. I'm all settled in my new camp. I'm a little bit down the road from where I was before, but I made it to the Van Build again for the second time, and feeling a little bit better, although it's a little cold out, but not as windy. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the week here and the weekend. And so I'm making myself a little Bailey's and coffee. Well, not actually Bailey's, but Carolyn's Irish cream. Carolyn's and coffee. Now that I'm all set up in my new camp. And I'll have to show it to you tomorrow. Have a nice night, everybody. See you later, and see you on the road.